Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through Ligani in Kingston, Jamaica. Ligani is in the city of Kingston, but it's also in the parish of St. Andrew. So Ligani is very popular for one reason. This area has more restaurants than any other area in Jamaica. You'll find more restaurants in Ligani than any other part of Jamaica. So on the right now is Sovereign North, and they have quite a few restaurants over here. We're just gonna go through quickly. Straight ahead you see Uncorked. Then over here you have Domino's straight ahead. Then you have Cannonball, which is a coffee house. Then you have Devon House Ice Cream, Rib Cage, Taurus Chinese Restaurant. Very popular plaza. Almost every fast food chain has a location in Ligani, and you can find every kind of restaurant in Jamaica. If you want Mexican, Spanish, Chinese, you name it. They even have a bakery in this plaza. You name it, you can find it over here. And there are a lot of plazas in Ligani because it's surrounded by so many residential areas like Millsboro, Beverly Hills, Mona, Hope Gardens. Okay, so there are like so many restaurants over here. We're not even going to be able to name all of them, but there's Candy Craze, a candy store, Cafe Dolce, you have Summer Place, Ches Marie, there is some Chinese restaurants, you name it, Nirvana. This place is full of restaurants. And this plaza recently opened. It's probably a year old, if so long. It's probably because of the success of Sovereign North, which is over there, why this plaza has so many restaurants in it. Actually, this is progressive. Okay. This is the Progressive Plaza. I think they are associated with Sovereign through Progressive Foods. Alright, so here is Burger King. And then over here now on the left, you have Orchard Village, which has even more restaurants. Okay, we're not going. In there is very packed up, but you have Tamarind. You have a lot of restaurants over there. A lot. Then over here now you have Lane Plaza. And this one also has a few food stores, the most popular of which is probably Juicy Patties. And just to give you an example of how busy Ligani is, you have two Tasty Patty locations up here. Two. I think the only other place that comes close to the amount of food stores would be that plaza in Montego Bay. The name just slipped me now, but it's the largest plaza in Jamaica. Fairview Shopping Center has every food store you can think of down there as well, but Ligani has more food stores, more restaurants. So straight ahead, that's Sovereign now. That was the first Sovereign Plaza. And that's one of the top 10 plazas in Jamaica. We did a list recently of the top plazas, and of course Fairview is number one. That's the largest plaza in Jamaica. But in Kingston, Sovereign, I don't remember the list, but Sovereign is up there as one of the largest plazas. I think it is the largest plaza in Kingston. Yes, it is the largest plaza in Kingston. But the largest plaza in Jamaica is Fairview in Montego Bay. Actually, Fairview is the largest plaza in the English-speaking Caribbean. There's only one plaza larger, which is in one of the Spanish-speaking countries. Alright, so I don't think we're going to be able to go into all the plazas, but Sovereign has a food court. So they have a KFC over there, they have a Island Grill, they have quite a few Chinese restaurants, a lot of food stores over there. And actually, we're saying Tasty has 2 locations. KFC also has 2 locations in Ligani. They have one in the Sovereign Plaza that we just passed, and there's one further up on Old Hope Road. Actually, the first KFC that was open is further up on Old Hope Road. And you also have Starbucks, you have Wendy's, all located in Ligani. And since we're talking about food, it's not really a restaurant, but one of the most popular pan chicken locations is actually in Ligani. They don't have a store, they just have like an outlet, you could say, where they cook right in a pan by the roadside. For those of you not familiar with what pan chicken is, it's like an outdoor barbecue. And it's one of the top ones in Jamaica. You also have all the pizza stores, everything up here. A lot of Indian restaurants up here as well. So Ligani definitely has the largest number of restaurants in Jamaica. And you would think they would have the most plazas too, but Halfway Tree has more plazas than Ligani. But the plazas in Halfway Tree, they don't have as many restaurants as up here. Okay, so this one now is New Imperial Court Restaurant. That's Lane Plaza on the left. Now on the right is Ligani Plaza. That's where you have Wendy's and Starbucks. And you also have Mother's, another very nice fast food chain in Jamaica. There are quite a few other food stores in the plaza, Lane Plaza. Not sure if Pata Cake Bakery is still there, but you have a nice vegetarian location. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.